This is super easy. This CapCut. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested to become a professional in CapCut. So let's get started. Open CapCut app, import your video, click on new project. After importing your video, then click on effect, then click on body effect, click on superpower, and then click on electric eyes. And yes, this will click again to adjust it, complete the color or adjust as you wish, increase intensity, and that's done. Click yes and it's okay. This has applied on your video. Click OK and it will apply. Thanks for watching.